In every life, I was reminded that God is the only creator. He is the one who gave life to the grasses, animals, and to humans. And He is the only source of it all. Sometimes we forget that He has it all and tried to own everything by living life with much worries, heavy laden with burdens, without living and surrendering everything to Him as the creator of our life. And life has many things, and it has so much that sometimes we don't understand. Sometimes we are in the time for sorrow, but later on, we will be given hope. Then, time for mourning, and then later on, we will have time for celebration. Name it, everything is there. But it is not our place to stay on those dark times, on those sorrows, on those burdens, for us to be hindered on living with pure joy in life. Sometimes we need to learn from these trifle things, from fragile petals of the flowers, that today they may be around, but tomorrow they will fade away. Nevertheless, they bloom beautifully, that our eyes are pleased with these beauties. And so are we. We don't have any difference. We are like a vapor. Life is just too short. We have to live with pure joy, that in that short time that we may have, we can truly see that life is there. Life is what we are living, not the emotion that we received out of it. But one thing that is totally amazing is to know that the one who created life, the source of it, is also the source of joy that we need as we live it. There, we can realize that each day is our chance to get closer to the source, that we may live in abundance according to His ways as the creator and as the source of everything.